So I just wanted to show you guys these swaging bits by Spin Tools. I've been using these on all my installs now, and I'm able to keep them here in my bag. You can find these for around like $100 online or at your supply house. I didn't want to spend $400 on the hydraulic tube expander. And all you'll need is a drill, which I'm assuming everybody has. They're pretty thick, well made. Haven't had any issues with them. We got a quarter, a 3/8, ½ inch, 5/8, 3/4, and 7/8. And those are basically all the sizes I need. Now I've also seen those hex ones that you can like put into an impact, but the reviews on those say that they snap easy. These are made really well, and I do highly recommend these if you want something on a budget. And they work really well for me, so I'll show you an example right now.